Did you fly toys?
Oh my! The hospital is really full today. There are sick patients, toys, and even slime. Let's see what's behind these doors.
Okay, Doc. Miss Hands will help you.
That's right, Doc. I have these keys. The first one is green. Let's go ahead and open up our green door. Inside, I see something green. It's a fun to play emoji capsule. Let's see which emoji we got. Uh-oh! Somebody looks very angry. Look at these big feet and that big angry face. And that's not all. There's a blind bag in there. It's Yokai Watch. Our first Yo Motion medal is from the tough category. Our second medal is from the brave category. Let's see what's behind the purple door. It's Guy Diamond.
Oh, I don't feel so good. I think I have a fever.
You're right, Guy Diamond. You do have a fever. When we took your temperature, it went all the way up to 103. Miss Hands will give you a shot of antibiotic.
Ouch!
And I have antibiotics for you to take at home. You should start feeling well in the next 24 hours.
That's great news. Thanks, Doc. And that's not all the great news. All of our patients today also get a toy surprise. Woohoo!
Guy Diamond, it looks like you got a mystery mini. And it's a Disney villain mystery mini with so many cool characters. Let's see who you got. It's White Rabbit. He looks pretty cute with his little red heart, his glasses. It's time to see what's behind the blue door. Oh no, it's full of slime. Is there something in this slime? Whoa, so much slime. It's a Finding Dory Mashem. Let's see who's inside. It is Destiny. Here's Destiny, and uh-oh, she's nearsighted. Oh, whoops, she bumped into the camera. She's blue just like our slime, and let's give her a squish. She's very stretchy and squishy, so she gets a 9 on our squish meter. It's time to see what's behind the orange door. I see something orange in there, but it's not a patient. It's an orange stress ball. And let's see what color it is when we squeeze it. It's yellow! These are so much fun to squish. Let's see what's behind our red door. Who's inside? It's Marshall! Marshall, what's wrong? You don't look very good. I feel tired and weak. And I have this cough. Marshall, it sounds like you have kennel cough. That's a respiratory infection that dogs get. I have 2 things I want you to take. Antibiotics for the infection and Dr. Dan's pet vitamins to help you get stronger. Do you feel well enough to get a toy surprise? I'm always excited to see a toy surprise. Great, here it comes. Marshall, you got a Gudetama Cafe blind box. This lazy little egg has a couple of different meals you can get. Let's see which one we got. Wow, so many pieces. Let me put it together. We got a plate, a fork, a little egg with Gudetama on it, a tea kettle with tea, and a lid, a little saucer with a teacup and the tea, and the best part of all, a big slice of delicious cake with little Gudetama in there. And now we have the complete cake set. It's time to open up the yellow door. Whoa! Will someone give me a hand? This yellow door had a lot of yellow toys in there. Look, it's a giant Pluto Tsum Tsum figural keyring. It's a Belle Fasham. She's wearing a yellow dress and she gets a little squish. And it's another hand. The surprises keep coming out of this yellow door. It's another yellow toy. It's a Samurai Power Ranger and it gets a big squish and a big 10 on the squish meter. Time to move over to the next wing of the hospital. That's right, up first, you need to see what's behind this red door. Will it be slime, will it be a patient, or will it be toys? Looks like we have a patient in there. Ouch, ouch, ouch! Peppa, it sounds like you're in pain. What's hurting you? I stubbed my toe, and my toe hurts really bad. Okay, Peppa, I'll just put some boo-boo cream on it, and when you get home, be sure to put the boo-boo cream on every 6 hours. I feel better already. Is it toy surprise time? It looks like it is, Peppa. You got a Shopkins ornament. Let's see what Shopkins you got. Peppa, it's a little piece of candy, and it's red and gold. And look at this fancy ornament. It's pink and gray, and it's holding a little gingerbread man. Ew! It's time to open the green door. Look what's leaking out of it. Lots and lots of, whoa, slime! Well, let's dig around in the slime and see if there's anything in there. Yes, whoa! That was a lot of slime. The good news is there was a toy surprise in there. It's the Grocery Gang Crusty Chocolate Bar. Time to see what little groceries we got. Our first one is... Ew, it's a waffle. It's awful waffle. Look at those crazy eyes. There's mold on there and butter. And what else is in here? Ew, it looks like we have burp burrito. Ugh, that does not look tasty at all. It looks like there's something blue behind our yellow door. Time to use the yellow key and see what it is. It's Joy! Are you okay, Joy? Yes, I am. I'm doing great. I just wanted to come by and visit and say hi. Hello, everyone. Joy, thanks for bringing, well, Joy to the hospital. Since you're here, we did check your temperature, and it's 98 degrees, which is good. Even though you're not a sick patient, you do put a smile on our faces, and I think you need a toy surprise. Oh, happy, joy. That would be great. Okay, Joy, it looks like you got a Monster High Mini. It's time to see which ghoul you got. You got one of the Power Ghouls, and it has a little pink skullette, which means it's a fantastic find. Time to see what's behind our orange door. I see a lot of cats down there. Here's one little kitty cat licking its paw. This little kitty cat is taking a cat nap. This little kitty cat is standing with a plant, and there's a toy surprise in there. Well, wouldn't you know it? It's a cat toy surprise. These little cats can hang on your glass. Look at this one. This white kitty has brown and black spots, and look how it hangs onto your glass. Oh, look at its face. It looks like, whoa, I'm hanging on. It's hanging on our door. Let's see what's down here behind our blue door. Whoa! These are so squishy. Look at this ice cream. It's a splat ball, so it's super squishy. And let's make it go splat. And look at this light bulb. It is so squishy. And let's make it go splat. We have our final door, and it's purple. There's a patient in there. Ouch, my tummy hurts. So Poppy, you said your tummy hurts. What are your other symptoms? I feel tired and achy. It sounds like you have the flu, and your test did come back positive for the flu. So you just need a lot of rest and fluids and a toy surprise. Okay, Poppy, you continue to relax and take it easy, and we'll open up your toy surprise. It's a Trolls blind bag, and this is a light up fashion tag. We got Branch, and he's looking extra grumpy. He has a long green chain, and let's see that light. Super bright light. Looks like Chase is our winner. He got 3 balls, and Rubble got 2.
Ooh, that's so much fun. I have a fun little surprise for you. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo-Busy, Gumballs, busy.
Look at all those gumballs.
Let's get this gumball Paw Patrol party started.
Okay, Rubble and Chase are at the starting line, and we'll see who gets the most gumballs. Ready, set, go! Time is up! Let's see how many gumballs they got. Chase got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And look at all the different colors. We see yellow, blue, red, pink, white, and orange. Oh, and there's a green one in there. How many did Rubble get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If Rubble got 15 and Chase got 25, who was our winner? Our winner is Chase. This time we have gumballs and the big plastic balls. Let's see who can get the most balls. On your mark, get set, go! Time is up! Let's count how many Rubble got. 1, 2, 3, 4 big ones, and 1, 2, 3, 4 small ones. 4 big plus 4 small is 8. Chase got 1 big one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the small ones. 7 plus 1 is also 8. It's a tie! It's our final round, and winner takes all. That means the winner gets a toy surprise. On your mark, get set, go! Chase got 1, 2, 3. Rubble got 1, 2. The winner is Chase. It's time to find out what Chase won. It's the grocery gang. And this is the sticky soda. Whoa! There are 4 groceries inside. Let's see which ones Chase got. We'll pop open our soda and pull them out. From Awful Sauces, we have Disgusting Mustard. From Half Baked Bakery, it is Dodgy Donut. Ew, look at those crazy eyes. From Barf Room Supplies, it is Rough Toilet Paper. That is some crazy looking toilet paper. And we have our mystery grocery in here. Who is it? I feel something fuzzy. Whoa, it's a fuzzy, moldy veg. And this one is Rot Hot Chili. Oh, so silly with those crazy eyes and teeth. There's even a little mold on there.